If you want to start making money online as a complete beginner, the best place to do so is on TikTok. Yes, you heard me right. In this TikTok creativity program beta video, I want to show you how to create international TikTok account in Nigeria and other non-TikTok monetized countries so that you can start earning in US dollars from TikTok. Now, if you live in Nigeria, you would have known that you will not be able to monetize and earn money from TikTok because presently TikTok is not monetized in Nigeria, in Africa, or even several regions of the world. But this video is just about to solve that problem for you, because if you continue watching, I'll show you how to open an international TikTok account here in Nigeria that will be qualified for monetization right here or anywhere you have within the non-TikTok monetized regions of the world. That is exactly the reason why I created this video, to show you how you can create your own international TikTok account that can be monetized, even if you already have an existing account before. So if you too want to start making money from TikTok content creation right here in Nigeria, Africa, or anywhere you currently are around the world, come with me and let me show you how to create your own international TikTok account that is monetizable. Now, you may want to be jumping through this video. If you do, I guarantee that you will miss some very vital information, and you might be surprised that when you get to the last stage of trying to create your international TikTok account, your account may be suspended. So you don't even want to jump any part of this video. That is why I made sure that this video is as short as possible. The first thing you need, of course, is your mobile phone, either an Android or an iPhone. Switch on your data and let's get right to work. Go to Play Store or App Store and install a VPN. Just for the sake of those who don't know what a VPN is, VPN, or what we call the Virtual Private Network, is a tool that helps you set up your IP address online to other locations other than where you are physically browsing from. So, for instance, I set my VPN to be in the United States while I'm in Nigeria, then my address will be showing that I am in the US. So, we will need a good VPN to finish the process of setting up our international TikTok account. I'll be using my Mysterium VPN for this demonstration. You can use any of your choice like Thunder, like Siphon, Windscribe, or any strong VPN of your choice. So once my VPN is installed, I will come over and launch my VPN. So here, you want to choose any country of your choice. You can choose any country from this list, but of course, you want to be sure that you choose a country where TikTok monetization is currently active. Presently, the only TikTok monetization countries are the United States, United Kingdom, France, Germany, Spain, and Italy. You can choose any one of them, but I will be using the United States for this demonstration. So I will come here and pick the United States and then connect. So once my VPN is active, it will show that I am currently located in the United States. Once you're connected to the United States or your preferred location, go back to Google. So the next thing I will do right now is to go and launch my browser. And once I'm done, I will come here and type in tiktok.com. Once TikTok opens up, I will complete the whole process on my browser. Come here and tap Profile. Click Sign Up. Use phone or email. Come here and fix in your birthday. There's no big rule here. Just make sure that the birthday you want to use is up to 18 years as of today. Next. Yeah, so here is a proof that TikTok is seeing us in the United States. As you can see, this US default phone code. But since we don't want to spend any money trying to buy a US phone number, we can easily use email to sign up instead. So come here and tap email. Here type in your email address. And then tap next. Here, add an acceptable password. Your password must have between 8 to 20 characters, and it must have letters, numbers, and special characters added to make it difficult for anyone to guess through. Then click sign up. TikTok will send a confirmation code to your email, so I will check for it in my inbox. Here is it. I will come back and add it up here. And then continue. Here, use any username of your choice. You can always change it later. Tap sign up. And congratulations, your US TikTok account has now been created. Please make sure you watch the end, because before I end this video, I will share a very common reason why most people get their TikTok account banned and how to make sure that doesn't apply to you, so you want to keep watching. So we have concluded the majority of our work here. All you just want to do right now is to set up your profile information. So let's quickly do that. Tap set up profile. Tap add a bio. I'll just type in a random bio here. Of course, you want to make sure that your own is better than this. Save. Here, you can add any profile picture or snap yourself if that is what you want. So what else? Of course, start creating your videos and upload them. Remember that monetization will not jump on you. You have to work for it. I have a series of videos on this channel that will help you learn how to create content, how to pick amazing TikTok niches, how to make extra money from TikTok, affiliate marketing programs, and several others. I will leave a link to some of these videos in the comment section. You really want to check them out. Also, I want you to please support my channel by liking this video right now. It will help YouTube suggest this video to more persons looking for ways to make money by creating content online. And if you're a first-time visitor to this channel, then if you love to see more videos like this one you're watching, then subscribe to this channel and turn on the alert bell so that YouTube can notify you when I create more interesting videos like this. Thank you. So let's see a few things that you need to know before you can start creating your TikTok videos on this new account. Come over to this hamburger icon and tap it. Then tap the creator tools. And as you can see, this is the monetization menu here. Here on this channel, I have 4 different ways I can now monetize with TikTok monetization. First is the creator marketplace, then subscription, creativity, program beta, and working with artists. Each of these monetization opportunities have similar criteria to qualify. For example, let's see what we have in the creator marketplace. So as you can see, these are the conditions that you must meet to qualify. You must be at least 18 years old, you must have at least 10,000 real followers, you must have posted at least 3 videos in the last 30 days, and your videos must follow the TikTok guidelines. Of course, you already know that your videos must be unique, and if you want me to discuss more on how to create TikTok community accepted videos, then you can let me know in the comment section. So, as you can see that the first condition here has been met. This is shown by the green mark that I have here. Once other conditions are met, then they too will be ticked green, and then the join button here will become active, and so you can apply for monetization. I really believe that you can achieve this very easily because TikTok is currently the easiest platform for any creator to get views and followers, much more easier than YouTube, for instance. So let's just go back and let's see one more before I end this video. Let's see what we have at the creativity program beta. So you can see that it's almost the same criteria. You must have 10,000 followers on this account and 100 video views in the last 3 months. That's all, guys, and then this apply button will become active and you can now apply for monetization. And this is how the other monetization criteria also appear. I really believe that you can achieve this easily because TikTok is currently the easiest platform for any creator to get views and followers, much more easier than YouTube, for instance. There is just one more thing that I want you to take note of. Anytime you want to sign in to this TikTok account that you just created, make sure that your VPN is on and set it to the country that you used while opening it. It's not always compulsory, but if you want to avoid anything that will make your account get suspended, make sure you always take this precaution. So go to work, create your international TikTok account, start publishing your videos, and soon enough your account will be ready to get monetized and you too can start making money online from TikTok. If you got what you're looking for from this video, please give this video a thumbs up if you have not liked it already. And if you are an unsubscribed visitor, then let me share a secret with you. I will really love that you join my community by subscribing to this channel. I promise to make it up to you with very quality videos every week. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.